Hello and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through how companies can keep a close watch on lease renewals and avoid missing important follow-ups. When portfolios grow, it becomes harder to track which leases are expiring soon, which tenants are likely to renew, and where timely action is needed. One of our clients in the property management industry faced this exact challenge. So our team at Perceptive Analytics built this analytical solution to bring this visibility together in one place for the head of sales. With this dashboard, teams can track and manage lease renewals efficiently, act on pending and at-risk leases in time, fine-tune rent strategy based on renewal behavior, improve tenant retention with proactive planning. If your team is facing similar challenges, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's have a quick look at how this works. At the top, we have 4 cards showing a quick summary of how many leases are expiring in each time frame. Each card also breaks down the total leases in that period, showing how many are up for renewal, how many have already been renewed, and how many are still pending. Below that is a detailed table with tenant information, lease dates, and renewal status. It is perfect for quick follow-ups. The next chart compares renewal rates across different rent increase slabs. After that, we can track expired leases by property. And finally, the bottom chart shows how lease renewals have trended over the past 12 months. If you want better control over your lease renewals and follow-ups, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's dive deeper. Let's begin with the 30-day renewal snapshot. Right now, there are 23 leases expiring in the next 30 days, which is 20% of all active leases. Out of these, 12 have already been renewed, while the rest are either pending or not being renewed. We see a similar number of leases in the 60 and 90 days windows. This indicates a steady stream of upcoming expiries, and it is important to avoid last-minute pressure. The table below shows complete lease level details. We can see that some tenants have already declined to renew, while others are still pending, and these are our key follow-up targets. We have each tenant's contact and rent details available here, making it easy to reach out at the right time and keep the renewal process moving. In the next section, we can see how rent changes are impacting renewal decisions. We can also hover over each slab to see how many tenants renewed or did not renew after a specific rent increase. This gives us a clear picture of how pricing changes influence tenant behavior. We observe that when rent increased by 10 to 20%, 40% of leases were not renewed. The next visual shows us which properties have had the highest number of leases expire without renewal. It helps us quickly identify where tenant retention is dropping. Nameco LLC has the highest number of expired leases, and we can also spot several other properties with high expiries. These properties should be prioritized for follow-ups, whether that means reaching out to tenants, reassessing pricing, or fixing service-related issues that may be impacting renewals. This final chart shows how renewals have trended over the past 12 months, helping us identify seasonal patterns. Renewals dropped the most in July, August, January, and February. Planning earlier outreach and engagement during these months could help us improve retention. If you want better visibility into your lease renewals and upcoming expirations, you can schedule a free consultation with us right now. Perceptive Analytics is your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.